Today we're going to learn how to solve exponential equations. So here we have 64 to the 8x plus 3 power is equal to 4 to the x plus 1 power. And so the first thing that we need to realize when we want to solve this is that we can rewrite 64 as 4 to the third power. And of course we'd keep our 8x plus 3 up here as well as an exponent. It's equal to 4 to the x plus 1 power. And so we know because of our properties of exponents that we can multiply the 3 and the 8x plus 3 together to get 4 to the 24x plus 9 power. So I've just multiplied these two together is equal to 4 to the x plus 1 power. And so we know, since we have the same base here of 4, that if we have 4 to the power of something equals 4 to the power of something, then that something must be the same. So 24x plus 9 is equal to x plus 1. And so now we solve this as normal. We subtract x from each side, so we get 23x equal to negative 8. And so we get x is equal to negative 8 over 23. Exponential equations do have a more practical purpose, however. So in this case, we have $70 and we want to invest this into something with a 10% interest rate. And this interest rate is compounded every month. So how much money will we have from this $70 after 10 years? So in this case, we need to use a special formula. And we need to have our amount that we get after 10 years equals our initial amount, $70, times the quantity of 1, plus our interest rate divided by the number of times we are compounding each year, times the power to the power of the number of times we're compounding each year, times the number of years. So, in our case, A is our unknown. We want to figure out A. P is $70. That's our initial amount. Our interest rate is going to be 0.1. And don't forget, don't put 10 here. It's 0.1 because it's 10%. Our N here is going to be 12 because since we're compounding each month, we're going to compound 12 times per year. And then our T is 10 years. 10 years right there. So A equals 70 times the quantity 1 plus 0.1 divided by 12, all to the power of 12 times 10 years. So now we take out our calculator and we go 70 times quantity 1 plus 0.1 over 12 to the power of 120. And we get A equals 189.49, and that's rounded to the hundredth dollars. So this 189.49 is our dollar amount after we've invested this amount, $70, for 10 years.